So we're adding actions, turns, to this turns array. We want to output this on our page now, because having it in the code alone doesn't do that much. So in the index.html page, I'll go to this logs area where I have a list item. And now the way to output data, which is an array or which is a list, is of course to use the v-for directive Vue.js offers us. With that directive, we can loop through all items in an array, for example, by running turn in turns. Here, turns, of course, refers to my turns data field or property here in this data object. And turn is a name of my choice, so I can name this whatever I like. Now that I loop through that, I can output it here with string interpolation by saying turn and then accessing text, which I know will be available since we pass some text here, for example, when we create a new entry in the log. With this, let's save it and reload. And if I now start a game and attack, we see that this works. It could use some improved styling. And also for other attacks, it only works regarding the monster damage because we're not logging the user damage yet. But we can see that outputting it in a list here clearly works. Though if we restart, we see that we get this empty box here, even though the log is empty. So it would be nice in the index.html code to only show this section if we actually do have entries in the log. To do that, I'll add the v-if directive here to only conditionally attach this HTML section and all its children to the DOM. And the condition I want to check is if turns.length, so if this array has a length greater than 0. If not, then it is empty, then I don't want to attach this section because I don't want to show the log then. With this, let's save and reload. You see the box is gone. But as soon as I attack, it's back and we're seeing the log. Well, next, let's finish it by hooking up the other buttons and improving the styling here a little bit.